guys, welcome back to my channel. All you meat lovers are in for a treat as I'm going to share a chicken keema paratha today. It is very appealing for the eyes and I'm sure all your family members are going to love it. So without further ado, let's get started. Don't be sad if you're vegetarian as I'm going to upload the vegetarian version of this paratha on Wednesday. So stay tuned and have a great day. Ciao.
I'm really a believer.